With George to the rescue coming in, it's just magical.
He's like a dream maker.
To the rescue! Yeah!
Hey everybody, Steve here from Grand Central Watch, and really excited because we just filmed with George to the rescue. And George brought one of his own watches, so we have to get it up to the shop. It's very old, and maybe we're going to rescue George's watch. Come along on this journey with us. It's going to be a fun one.
So when are you going to need it by?
End of the week, okay?
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
All right. See you at the end of the week.
Yeah, so we can see some rust residue underneath the sub-second hand. Obviously, dial needs some work. Case looks sturdy enough though and stable. Yeah, this rust is not so great. We're missing a spring for the automatic bumper. Some rust residue underneath this screw. Once we get inside, I'm sure we're gonna find more, because if this is just on the outside here, there's definitely more deeper in. I'm a little bit worried about removing this dial. There's a weird residue that may be glue or just rusted over. It's pulling straight up rust out of that. So now everything has been disassembled, and anything that can be repaired has been repaired, anything that needs replacing has been replaced, and it's time to go through the cleaning before we do the final reassembly. So the first jar is the cleaning solution that disintegrates all of the old oils and greases. Now that all the parts are cleaned, accounted for, and re-inspected, it's time to reassemble and lubricate up to Swiss standards. So we encountered a bit of an issue that's typically not an issue on vintage watches. This type of gasket that was originally in this watch is definitely no longer in usable condition. It was 70 plus years old, which leaves us with the predicament of a watch case that won't stay closed. So I fit a replacement gasket. I actually had to use a crystal gasket that I sanded down very carefully between two pieces of fine sandpaper to the right width, and now it's at a point where I feel confident that it's going to fit very well into the watch. So I'm going to test the case back gasket now. The movement isn't inside it, so obviously this isn't going to be fully sealed, but this is a good way to know if it's actually going to work or not. It's as simple as that. Have a nice secure seal there, and it's ready to case. Yes!
We took a fully rusted watch. The time clock was ticking. I know they're showing up here in about 9:30, so we have 10 minutes till they get here.
Literally.
Okay, so somehow we made the impossible possible. We did get the watch ready. So George has no idea. I even told him it's probably not going to be done. They're on their way here, so this really was like down to the last minute. So let's see if we could fool George and get like a really big reaction out of him. Anyway, come on, let's go.
Steve, my man, what's up?
Made it.
How are you?
Thank you for coming back.
Thank you for inviting me back,
Yes.
for giving me a reason to come back.
Absolutely.
This is
Sit.
so exciting.
Yeah. It's very exciting. It's just you can't always come through every time, and because of the rust on this one, unfortunately, you know, we failed. And this is something that, you know, I apologize, but I did want to give you something, a little gift, since you are here anyway.
Okay. Yeah.
Just as a little feel better, there's a little something for you to check out.
Okay. Let's see what this is.
Careful.
Whoa.
It's a special gift.
Whoa, wait, so...
I was just joking.
you had me for a second.
This is your grandfather's watch, and
It's ticking.
It's
like
ticking.
Oh my gosh.
It's running beautifully.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
I found this watch when I found out we were going to do the shoot. And I wanted to find something that I could share with you to see if it was even fixable. So stuff you did, you could fix, you fixed, and what you couldn't fix.
We replaced, but with original parts from this caliber. Everything in the watch is correct. This is exactly the same movement that was born in the 40s. This watch is from the mid-40s.
Right, you texted me 1942 or
Yeah,
something like
yeah.
that. So yeah, this was my grandfather's, hence I wore this tie. This is my grandfather, I told you, he came from Scotland, total self-made man. So the fact that he in the 40s was able to purchase this for himself.
Sure. So we took everything apart, every component came apart. We saved what we could, we replaced what we had to.
Just check out this watch. Look at this thing. It is a piece of art. It is absolutely gorgeous.
So let's see, which wrist do you wear?
I wear it on my left.
Okay, so let's see, come all the
Put
way
it
over.
there. Look at that. I don't know if it goes with my bling, but it.
Yeah,
maybe I'll have
definitely,
To,
definitely
look at
goes
that.
with a
That's
little
old
bit
and
of
new,
bling.
right? I've never had this nice of a watch on my wrist. I will tell you that.
Well,
This is.
welcome to the watch world.
And the fact that it was my grandfather's, this is awesome.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
you got it.
All right, let's go see Max.
It was so cool to rescue George's watch. If you need Steve to the rescue for your watch, your family heirloom, please send us a note. Hopefully we can help you. Come visit us at the store. Thanks for watching. This was so much fun, and take care.